Welcome back. So this is 1.5 inches by 20 inches, and this is 3.5 inches on fold by 10 inches, and I gum a stay to it. So on this 1.5 inches by 20, I run a gathers on it, so you can use gathers foot. You can see just at the tip of the 1.5 inches. So after this, I'll set it aside. This is 20 inches wide, the breadth is 20 inches wide, 10 inches on fold like this. So this side I measure 2.5 inches. From that 2.5 inches, I'll just sew it down. So the length of this is the length of the sleeve you are working with minus the band that we are going to add. Just watch closely. This is how you fold it. You can see. So minus the band plus 1 inch. Alright, so you are still going to add band to this, so you have to minus it. So just watch closely how you fold the 2.5 inches opening. So the sleeve length minus the band. So the back I'm working is 3 inches. So you can see the outcome this side. You can see the way I sew it. You can see. So I will run gathers here. So the sleeve length minus the band plus 1 inch. So that's how you know the length of the sleeve you are going to cut of this. So if you use 20 inches for the wideness, is okay, and if you want it fuller than that, you can increase or decrease it. Alright, so after making the gathers, you should have something like this. Then so you gather it, so the size of the sleeve you are working with is the round sleeve. So I'm working with round sleeve 10, so it will be 5 inches on fold. So I need only 10 inches. So 10 inches wide. You can see, remember to add stay, just gum stay on it to make your work perfect. Then you fold by 1/4 inch as seen. You can see that I folded it by quarter. Just folded it once, then you fold it like this again, right side fading right side, leaving 1/4 inch. Please watch closely. So I will sew the other side of the band. You can see this. The first layer is not starting from the second layer. The one at top, you can see, is not starting from the top. I left about 1/4 inch while sewing it. Just watch closely, you understand. Then you turn it to the right side. So this is the band. You can see it. So it is ready. So you take this. See the wrong side of this facing the right side of this. You can see. Just put it together. Then you sew. But I want to put this just to make a design. So I'll put it here. You can see the band will be here, and the 20 inches wide. The many part of the sleeve will be in between the 1.5 and the band, and I'll sew it together. So you can decide not to put the 1.5 inches. There's a particular sleeve design that is like that. You can use the band only. So if you want to make this design that I'm teaching you presently, so you can add it. And the 1.5 inches, is important that you fold it, just make small foldings on at one side, or you overlock it, so that you will it will be neat, so it won't have rough edge. So just watch closely so that you understand. The sleeve is in between the 1.5 and the band, so, and also by half inch. Just take it gently when you use to. So I can see. So just trim it. So I don't want it to be bulky. So I'll trim it off close to the to where you sew, but don't let it get to where you sew. So I'll now open it like you can see. So I'll use the band to cover the rough edges, you can see. So I'll put the seam inside. Just watch closely, you understand. You can see. So after putting the seam inside, I'll just on a stitch on it. So the 1.5 inches that we gathered, just make sure that you overlock or you fold it, just small folding, so that it will be neat. So I'm just using this for practical, that's why I do not do that. If I'm to sew it for a client, I will overlock. You can see how beautiful the sleeve is. So if you have something like this after sewing, so you had your press button to hit. So it is also ablution friendly. You can see the inside. This is the inside, very neat, and the outside so is neat. Remember to overlock this side before you fix it to the sleeve. Masalam.